guys, in this video, I'm going to disassemble an ASUS K540U laptop and replace its thermal paste. In the first step, unscrew the screws on the bottom cover of the laptop. Use a plastic pry opening tool to open the C-cover. When removing the C-cover, be careful to disconnect the two flat cables connected to the motherboard. Unscrew the screws on the motherboard. After unscrewing, release the motherboard. Unscrew the screws on the motherboard and remove the cover over the CPU. Clean the thermal paste on CPU. Apply new thermal paste onto the CPU. Place the cover over the CPU. Before closing the laptop, place the motherboard onto the cover and reconnect the monitor's flat cable. Turn on the laptop to ensure it is functioning correctly.